Hey everyone, John from Alpha Vitesse here with another installation video. This time we have a 2019 Yamaha MT-10. Now our parts do fit 2016 and up models of the MT-10. We're going to be installing frame sliders, front and rear axle sliders, spools, and bar ends. Installation is fairly simple for this bike, so let's get to it. Let's begin by installing frame sliders on this MT-10. Now we're going to start off with the right side. We went ahead and removed the engine bolts already. Be sure to remove only one side at a time. This will prevent the engine from sagging, just complicating the installation. Now this right side does come with spacers. Be sure to leave all the spacers intact. Do not remove those. We're going to grab the right side adapter. Now, if you have any doubt which one's left and which one's right, be sure to refer to your installation manual. It comes inside of the box. I'm gonna grab the right side, 70mm bolt. I'm gonna pre-assemble this. One drop thread locker at the end of the bolt. Go ahead and insert it here. Make sure the adapter sits flushly on the frame of the bike, and we can begin by threading it by hand to be sure that the thread catches correctly. This will prevent any threading from being damaged inside of the bike. Once we're confident that the thread is caught correctly, we can continue with the torque wrench and tighten it to recommended specs. Once that's fully tightened, installation on the left side is very similar. You won't have those spacers on the other side. So much more simple installation, and that completes installation for frame sliders. Next, we'll be replacing these bar ends with Alpha Vitesse bar ends. Installation is pretty simple. For this, we'll only require an 8mm socket or Allen key. Now, you might require a little bit of force to remove the original one. Just apply nice pressure and uninstallation should be fairly simple. Now we want to grab our Alpha Vitesse bar end here. We want to place a drop of thread locker at the end. This will prevent the bar end from unthreading with any vibration from the handle. We want to begin threading it by hand. Make sure the thread catches correctly before we use any tool. Once you're pretty confident that it's firmly inside, we can continue. Torque it to the recommended specs. Again, with the 8mm socket. That's fully tightened now. Installation is the same for the left side, and installation is now complete. Now, you might have noticed that the spools are already installed on this bike. We are not running through the installation for this, but if you need an installation guide, the link will be in the description. And this completes product installation with the MT-10. As you guys saw, installation for the MT-10 is straightforward. Again, we just finished installation for the Tactique series crash protection. More products are in the pipeline, so be sure to check out our website, our social media accounts, and like and subscribe our YouTube channel.